Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC-Automation. This is Jaffer, and in today's video we are going to design our warehouse HMI screen for the racks and the robot. So this screen was prepared in the past video, and we have also connected two variables to these indicators, but one of them was not working. In this video, we are going to design our warehouse screen, and then we are going to find out why the indicator was not working, right? Okay. So for our HMI screen, I'm going to add an IO field here. I'm going to property. I'm going to put it on 1 and make it 3D, and the last one, let's put it white, and then I will go to layout. I will choose like 45 and 30. All right, let me go back to appearance, change it back to black. Yeah, now it seems a little better. Okay, we are going to change to 100, and this is no problem, both of them. The center. I will put this one up to 40. Okay, so we have 10 rows and 10 columns. In this case, we need hundreds of this rack, right? So we copy this one. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we make another copy of this. Let's see, it's okay. Yes. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 100 racks, right? So I'm going to move the screen, and I'm going to make a copy of this whole stuff. I will paste this in this screen as well. Okay. Okay, it's enough. All right. Where is this one? Right. We are going to align them. Okay. And we have here home position and drop position. All right. And now we are going to draw a robot. So, okay, so we have prepared the screen before adding the robot screen item. We are going to create um, this data block is already created, and now we are going to add a new block. We are going to add a function block function, and we give it FC visual update. The language we choose as a ladder, and tap OK. And now we are going to add some move empty boxes, row, column, and target. One, two, three, four, five, 6. And now we are going to tap on Visual Warehouse. So we are going to the output. Right? You can also write it, but this way is very simple and very easy, and also the professional way. Okay. And now we are going to click on the DB robot, and we are going to the warehouse position, current position, row, and current column, and then we are going to target position. Target column should be here, and target row should be here, and then we have drop locations, drop row, and drop column. Okay. For our robot, where is our screen? So this is our screen. We are going to use hundreds of circles like this one, and we are going to add a variable to the visibility. So for example, when our row and currently column comes equals to a variable, then we want to make this circle visible or not visible, or invisible or visible. We have two options here, visible or invisible, right? So to do that, here in basic panel, we do not have two options to connect two variables because we are having now two variables, the row and the column, right? And to do that, we have to use some mathematical way to make one variable out of two variables, and then we can use the variable on our circle. Okay. So to do that, I will go to, I think I have prepared this one. I will show it to, let me just do it once again, no problem. So now we are going to our FC Visual, and this we are going to add a new empty box, and we call calculate. We are going to add some two branch and go to visible about position. So what we are going to do here, So I'm going to use the row and here 1 and 1 and 10. We're going to add a new input, and then I'm going to use the column and 1. So here we are going to say input 1 minus 1 multiply 10 or multiply 10 plus or we do it some another way minus and 2 multiply 10 or multiply and 3 okay, plus and 4 minus and 5. This should work. So 1, the row, we will say minus 1 multiply 10 plus the column and minus 1. Okay, we are going to test it and we'll see what's gonna happen here. We download. we go online and test it and to see if we get a correct value on this robot position. Because now we are going to use this variable. Oh, it's already 11. If I will use, it should start from 1, right? Let me use instead of minus here plus. And then we'll see which variable we have. Nine. Okay. Let's go to the screen. I just want to test it once. I want to see if the value are changing, and I want to see here something which is moving around or not. All right. So to 11 no. It will directly move from 1 to 11. Let me put it back to minus. And now download it once again. Normally it should not be that slow. Okay. So, okay. Once again, I want to see it. 1, 9. Okay, we are going to test it. So we have moved our currently value to but I think we should the target bring some changes to. Let me have a look, because here I think we are going to put the order. Let me have a look. Yes. we have here target rows and target columns. Order active column target right. Okay, this is right, and this one should be the drop position of the robot. Drop row. All right. Okay. We go now offline. We also stop this one. So we are going to 150. It should be enough, right? It should be a little more. Let me see properties. I will have 35. Ten. 10 is okay. It should be around. I will put it on my rack. I will go to properties. Visibility. And I will connect robot position to this one. And now I'm going to make 100 copies of this circle. So we have two. Let me align them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will make a copy of this one. Okay. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this circle presents our robot, right? And now we are going to connect these circles they are already connected to variable robot position. And now let me show you paint, or yes, we are going to use this coordinate here. I cannot copy this one, no problem. Let me open the note. Yeah, so these numbers we are going to use the row 1 and row 2. 200. Okay, so how do we do that? Row 1, this is our row 1. I will just row 1, row 2, row 3. So how we connect? The variable is already connected, and for row 1 we are using 1. So now 1, and I have here 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is row 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the row 10, right? So I'm doing it faster because I speed the video, otherwise it takes a lot of time. I will speed the video and there would be no talking, and after that we will see, right? Okay, so see you in a minute. All right, we have connected all the circles to the variables. So now I think we can already test it and see if it's working, right? So first of all, before testing, I'm going to add 2 buttons here. I will call it home. Now we will go to events, press it. Going to activate a screen. A root screen. And now we are going to the root screen. And here we are going to say warehouse. And with this button, we activate all right. Okay, I think we can already test it. The HMI has been started. We are going to make another download in case there are some changes. All right. Okay. So we have already the order. We go to warehouse, we tap start. This guy is moving, but from a wrong step. It should start from here, and first of all, it should do the row and okay, let's bring some changes. Warehouse. I'm going to change this color to this color. Come on. Seriously? No. We can also change the color with variables, but we have 100 circles. Whenever we are going to connect this 100 circles to variables, it will take a lot of times. But if we change the color, uh, it's okay, right? So it was starting from the wrong position, but in this case, okay, what do we do? Oh, okay, let's put it first. I'm just testing, okay? I'm going on my another screen. I'm just going to make some calculations and just to avoid some misleading on this screen. Otherwise, it will be very complicated and you will never understand. So I will keep the rest hidden. So don't worry. Okay. Do we have an order? No, I will just put here number 10 and 10, number 5. And the words, let's start. Yes, it's starting from the right point, but it's very slow, right? It the connection. But let me just test it some round, and it's already back to back option. Now, okay, let's go to HMI tags, default tags. Normally, now it should be okay. Let's put once again 10, 10. So it should be here, right? 10, 10. It's starting from the good position and okay, it goes to the right way. It picks the order from 10 and it disappears and it appears back here. So, do you know why we have to solve it. It should follow the right way, right? For example, when it's coming to here, and it should go back to the same direction from the same place, but it disappears here. Let's put another order. We will put row 5 and column 7, for example, just to test. If it does the same, it's coming like this to 7. It's going that way, but we want the robot to move back and to go there, right? Okay, in this case, we are going to our function block. It was the pick. Yes, and these two columns, we are going to take it from there and paste it here. And now we have, let me close it back. And now we have the columns and then the rows. But I think we should also cancel this too. I will remove this one from here and this one from here. And I will put a condition here. Empty box equals which one? Okay, column. And the same condition here. Come on. Okay. Now we close our network. We make a download again. And now we start our HMI once again. Do we have an order? Yes. So we go back to our HMI screen, we start. It comes from the same way. Okay. It goes to the pick location. It picks the stuff. And now it's moving. Okay, why it's moving that way? It should move this way. Let's have a look once again. This is not the correct movement. Let's have a look why it's moving like that. So what we have done, so after picking, okay, columns, rows, Okay, the column should be equal, otherwise I do not understand here. So what we are going to do, so first of all, whenever it's going to pick the column forward, it's back the column, so the column should be equals to yes, I got it. We are using at the wrong place. Okay, so we should close this network and we should change this place back, because network 1, network 2, okay. Now we delete these conditions. Arrived at drop location. Actually, yes, it was. Where was it? So this is state 3. Actually, we are not in the wrong place. State 1. What is going to do here? It is valid. Move to pick. Okay, it's moving to the correct level. Arrived at pick location. So arrived at pick location, and now I think we were not wrong. Not here. Column. And now, I don't know why. Okay, let's download it once again, but normally it was not wrong. I don't get it. Let's download it whole. Download. Oh, okay, we have since we are downloading all of them, we have to start our HMI also. Because while downloading, we are saying stop all. When we are stopping all, the connection between HMI and PLC will be stopped as well. So that's why we have to restart our HMI screen. And now I will put 10. Come on. I don't get it. Excuse me. 9, 9, 5, order 7, automating start. It's starting. It should it should come back from the same direction, not. Yes, it's doing its job, correct one, and now it have to go back to home position. All right, so let's put another order 5, and we will put it 9. Okay, it's going to 10. Okay, but the movement is correct. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and let's put one more. Instead of 7, 9, we will put 7, and we go to warehouse. We start again. Yeah, now it's correct one. It goes back. So it's doing its job perfectly, but sometimes I don't know why. So let's put row 1, column 10. It should be come here and go back. Okay. Sometimes it's doing not well, right? Okay. So now let's give this position row 2 target time. Mm-hmm. I got I know the problem what it is, because we have here. Okay, so the movement, it works not perfectly, but it's not so far from good. Okay, the problem is our conversion here. We have used the calculate, and because in on basic HMIs we have not the advanced options. That's why we sometimes it's not so advanced HMI. This is a basic HMI, right? So we cannot do a lot of stuff with this one. But I think this what we are going to doing with this HMI, it's already doing its job perfectly, right? Um, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed and learned something from this training video. And if you are still not subscribed to this channel, so subscribe to this channel, um, and learn how to automate programs in TIA Portal. And again, if you want to level up and if you want to train with us together and level up your PLC skills, so subscribe to this channel, and we are going to have some enjoying time here. Thank you very much and have a great day, and bye bye. Yes, of course. Before I forgot, in the next video we are is still working on this project. Okay, we have now a lot of stuff to add to this screen, and also to this screen we have a lot of space. So in the next video we are going to tune up these HMIs, and also we are going to add one another screen for our login, for example. So we will add some password. For example, if you to this IO field, everybody should not be able to put randomly order to the robot, right? And also after the second video, after we are done with this, we are going to make the second version. Now it's the version here, V0, right? Version 0. And after that, after version 0 is done, fully tested, it's working, and then we are going to make the version 1. In version 1, what we are going to add? We are working on this screen. For example, now you see everywhere 0, okay? So we are going to add some level. For example, we will say this is 10 levels, 10 level high. Each level is 2 meters in order to be able to put some stuff in that level. So for example, when your robot moves to this rack, and this rack has 10 levels, and your robot will take one order from level 5, for example. So here, if it's 10 and all the levels are full, we will see here 10. And when the robot goes one time to here and back to home position, we will see 9 here. And also from our HMI screen, for example, when we are saying from rack, this rack, we are going to use 5 from the level 5, ask our robot to come to take the order from level 5, and we should be able to ask the robot to take it from there, right? We will add some more functionality to this HMI screen. So see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.